everyone, my name is Pooja Malhotra and I'm a gold medalist nutritionist from Delhi University. Vitamin C, which is chemically ascorbic acid, is an essential water-soluble vitamin which we must consume in our diet because we cannot synthesize it. It gets easily oxidized and hence is a great antioxidant. We need it for the synthesis of collagen. In simple terms, we need it for wound healing and for maintaining the integrity of our skin and our blood vessels. We need it for the metabolism of carbohydrates and amino acids, for the conversion of the amino acid tryptophan into serotonin, which is a sleep hormone. Vitamin C is also needed for the absorption of iron in our body. It protects other vitamins and fatty acids from oxidative damage. It scavenges free radicals and hence provide protection against cancers. By virtue of all these functions, vitamin C helps boost our immunity. It is not the cure to common cold as claimed by many, but it does help prevent common cold and it helps to reduce the severity of the symptoms. The Indian Council of Medical Research recommends a daily intake of 40 mg of vitamin C. Its deficiency can cause bleeding of gums and iron deficiency anemia too. We call it the fresh food vitamin. Abundant sources include citrus fruits like orange, quinoa, mosmi, lemon, the Indian gooseberry, which is amla, guava, other berries like strawberries, raspberries, etc. Vegetable sources include tomatoes, broccoli, green leafy vegetables like spinach, potatoes, etc. But this vitamin is extremely heat sensitive and at least 50% gets destroyed during cooking. Processes like fermentation and germination result in an increase in vitamin C content. So germinated food items like sprouts and fermented food items like kanji, pickles, kimchi and kefir, etc. are very good sources of vitamin C. So if you regularly consume plenty of fresh fruits and vegetables, there is no reason why you need to consume supplements. However, if you have a compromised immune system or you frequently catch colds and coughs, then a daily supplement of vitamin C can certainly be of help. Thank you.